Hey, welcome back to part 3. Arms can rotate around like this, go up and down like that. Unfortunately, it's kind of garbage, but his little arm here, let me see if I can whittle this gun out, which is kind of tabbed in there, so you kind of have to pull his arm up and then just swat that off, but he can move his arm there, no hand rotation. He can hold his gun like that. He does have some waist articulation. Legs, bent, forward, knee bent, some other swivels and stuff. Kind of a toe bent, but that's due to transformation and stuff. So, yeah, let's take a look at the instructions and see what they're telling us to do here. So apparently each and every single part of this little fella has a thing to him. So I guess we just break him down now. So apparently the guns are always supposed to be off of him. So we'll just set those right there. These big backpack guns, they just pop off like this. And let's put one in his hand. So there you go. There's those. Next, they're telling us to. I'm not really sure what they're saying. Oh, we pop these parts somehow back onto here. But unfortunately, they don't tell us where the peg goes. Does the peg go forward or does it go back? It's just like, remove the guns, push them in. I'm guessing the peg goes in the back, like this. Next, say bye-bye to your arms. He's completely disarmed now. Like that. Okay, and then we rotate his head. What the heck do we do with his head? I have no idea. I guess we rotate his head and then we fold this up. Aha! We rotate his head and then we fold this up. But actually you want to fold this white part down. So before you rotate the head, they're like, oh dude, you just rotate the head. No, what you gotta do is take this back part off, push it back, then twist the head, and then flip up the little back part. Yeah, it's Hasbro. Instructions. Take this, flip that up. Doesn't lie into place. I would love it if it could lie into place, but yay, it doesn't. Flip up these little side boosters. Like that. Take this part off. Okay, after that, flip up these other two little cannons in the back here. Kind of form almost a hand from, oh my god, the Kabaya War / Power the Prime's Prime Armor. And then we just extend this up and over. So Fluid make use of that little black pad because they're like, hey, it's like this. You don't want it like that. You want to make sure that it's completely flush. And let's see here. Turn the legs like so. And then what the heck do we do? This saying something about bring the legs up, I guess. Like that. Okay. Then bend them. Nope. No, that would be wrong. Okay, so we bend. Okay, here's what we gotta do. We gotta bend the legs so that they tap into here. Again, like I was saying,